Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two top-notch robot vacuums that promise to make your life easier. In the red corner, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum, and in the blue corner, the iRobot Roomba Combo. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the ultimate cleaning champion. Let's start with the most important factor for many buyers: the price. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes with a price tag of $1,599, while the iRobot Roomba Combo is available for $349. It's clear that the Roomba Combo offers a more budget-friendly option for those looking to invest in a robot vacuum. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra boasts a powerful 6,000 pascals suction, which effectively picks up debris, hair, and dust from both hard floors and carpets. Additionally, its double brushes provide a cleaner effect in one go, reducing hair tangles. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes, which adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Both robots offer impressive cleaning capabilities, but the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes the lead with its higher suction power. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can also mop your floors, both these models have got you covered. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra features an upgraded Viborize 2.0 mopping system, providing a wider mopping zone and high-speed scrubbing. It even separates vacuuming and mopping tasks for maximum cleaning effectiveness. Similarly, the iRobot Roomba Combo offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping on hard floors thanks to its specialized microfiber mop pad. It's a tough call in this category, as both robots excel in their mopping capabilities. Now let's talk about the smart features that these robots offer. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes with advanced app control, allowing you to schedule cleaning, adjust suction and water flow, and even set no-go zones. It also supports voice control with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo also offers app control through the iRobot Home app, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms at any time. It's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant as well. Both robots provide extensive smart features, making them convenient to use. Lastly, let's discuss some additional features that set these robots apart. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra boasts reactive 3D obstacle avoidance, which enables it to identify and bypass unknown objects on the floor. It also generates detailed maps for accurate and customized cleaning. The iRobot Roomba Combo, on the other hand, offers compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, allowing for up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. Depending on your needs, you can choose the robot that suits you best in this category. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra has received positive reviews for its reliability, app and mapping capabilities, mopping and vacuuming performance, dock quality, navigation, and obstacle avoidance. However, some reviewers have mentioned that the mopping function could be improved, especially for certain areas. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo has mixed reviews, with some users praising its straight-line cleaning method and effectiveness in keeping the house clean, while others have mentioned issues with the smart mapping feature, transition between surfaces, and size and maneuverability. And that wraps up our comparison between the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo. Both robots have impressive features and offer efficient cleaning performance. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with excellent mopping functionality, the iRobot Roomba Combo might be the right choice for you. However, if you prioritize higher suction power and advanced obstacle avoidance, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra could be your go-to robot vacuum. As always, don't forget to do your research and choose the one that fits your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.